Today, we're revving up for a thrilling adventure, a motorcycle race on the beach, all beautifully rendered through the creative magic of artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where the roar of engines mingles with the crashing waves, where the beach becomes a dynamic racetrack for fearless riders. These AI-generated images allow us to witness the heart-pounding action of beachside motorcycle racing in vivid detail. In this breathtaking presentation, the motorcycle race on the beach becomes more than just a sport. It becomes a celebration of the harmonious relationship between man, machine, and nature. As we immerse ourselves in these captivating visuals, let's also reflect on the history of motorcycle racing and its roots in the pursuit of speed and adventure, from the early days of racing on the beach to the modern competitions that continue to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. So, whether you're a motorcycle aficionado drawn to the thrill of beach racing or simply someone who finds joy in the beauty of speed and freedom, these AI-generated images of the motorcycle race on the beach will leave you with a sense of excitement and a renewed appreciation for the artistry of motorsport. Thank you for joining us at AI Motor Gallery. If you found this fusion of technology and racing intriguing, don't forget to hit the like button, and stay tuned for more visionary automotive expressions. Until next time, remember that innovation knows no bounds, even on the beach.